Another safety related item that everybody needs to check is to check their flue pipe. If you have a gas furnace, you know, it's December now, but in the spring we had a lot of storms. A lot of people got new roofs, and you'd be surprised how many times we go into an attic and we see the flue piping. So this is you'll see this go all the way up through the roof, and it should all be together. It comes in segments, so it does come apart quite easily. And we see this every year several times where someone had a roof and had a roof installed, and somehow it got dislodged and it came apart, and it looks like this in the attic. So what's coming out? All the combustion gas, all the carbon monoxide is just going in your attic. So it's a concern, especially if it's especially cold for a day or two, which we always get, and your furnace is running like all day. That does happen at least once a year, right? We don't want all that in the attic. So if you haven't checked, or you haven't had us out to check your system for the year, this is one of the things we always check, is make sure that the flue is together all the way through the roof. If nobody's done that for you, just go take a peek in the attic and just make sure, especially if you've had a roof done in the spring or in the summer, okay?